American novelist Mark Twain once described this fruit as the most delicious fruit known to mankind. Though globally recognized, many in our country are surprisingly unaware of its existence. So what exactly is this fruit? And what does it taste like?
Fishy science.
Today, we'll dissect the sugar apple. During a trip to Taiwan with my parents, I stumbled upon a peculiar fruit at the market. This fruit, known as Annona squamosa or sugar apple, has a unique, bumpy skin. It's sometimes referred to as Buddha's head due to its resemblance, though they don't really look alike, do they? The variety I found was Atamoya, an enhanced version of the typical sugar apple, which does indeed resemble Buddha's head more closely. Originally from the Americas, the sugar apple has now spread worldwide, with numerous varieties being cultivated globally. Taiwan, in particular, boasts a significant sugar apple harvest. With a sugar content around 25 degrees Brix, the sugar apple is exceptionally sweeter than most berries, earning it the nickname sweetsop. When ripe, the fruit's skin softens, indicating it's ready to be enjoyed. I'll describe its taste after I try it myself. First, let's discuss why the sugar apple has such a distinctive shape. The fruit develops from the flower, and a look at the flower explains the fruit's bumpy form. Inside the flower, numerous pericarps are arranged in a circle. Each of these segments develops into a segment of the fruit, contributing to its unique texture. If you slice the sugar apple lengthwise, you can see how the segments swell around the central stem. Breaking it open with your hands reveals the individual segments in the flesh. Interesting, isn't it? Next, when you cut the fruit horizontally, you'll see that the seeds are located inside each segment. Thus, the sugar apple is made up of numerous segments, which explains why there are so many seeds inside. Now, let's cut into this sugar apple and taste it. Wow, the sugar apple truly has a unique sweetness unlike any other fruit. To be honest, it's more akin to pure sugar than fruit sweetness. The sugar apple was too sweet for my taste, but it's still a unique flavor that I recommend trying at least once during your travels. Finally, be cautious when eating sugar apples. You must avoid swallowing the skin and seeds. This is because a substance called annanasin found in the Annanaceae plant can act as a neurotoxin and potentially induce Parkinson's disease if consumed in excess. This component is rarely found in the pulp, but is quite abundant in the skin and seeds, so be careful not to ingest these parts of the sugar apple. This concludes our sugar apple video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel. This was Fishy Science, where science unveils the mysterious.